The first section will discuss problem solving. Definition: problem solving. A problem is a question to be considered, solved, or answered. Problem solving is the ability to apply a conscious, organized process or strategy to find a solution. Importance of problem solving. In algebra, problem solving is needed for practice problems, exam questions, and multi-step exercises. In life, problem solving is needed anytime you apply concepts to new situations. Knowing how to break a problem into smaller, more manageable steps is the key to solving any kind of problem. Breaking a problem down. Line K passes through points 3, 4, and 7, 6. Find the equation of a line that is perpendicular to line K and passes through point 1, 0. What smaller steps can this problem be broken down into? First, find the slope of line K. The slope of line K is quantity 6 minus 4 over quantity 7 minus 3, which simplifies to 1/2. Next, find the slope of the perpendicular line. The slope of the perpendicular line is equal to the negative reciprocal of the slope of line K. Therefore, the slope of the perpendicular line is -2. Lastly, find the equation of the perpendicular line by plugging point 1, 0 and the slope into the point slope equation. Simplify to get the equation of the line is y equals -2x plus 2. Kudos method. Kudos is an acronym for a specific method of working with word problems. Kudos stands for known, unknown, definition, output, and substantiation. Example 1. Kudos. In Mr. Ramirez's class, there is an equal number of boys and girls. When 8 girls left for a field hockey game, there were twice as many boys as girls left in the room. How many students are in Mr. Ramirez's class? The first step, K, is to identify the known information. The number of boys equals the number of girls normally. After 8 girls leave, the number of boys equals 2 times the number of girls. The second step, U, is to identify all of the unknown information. We need to know how many boys are in the class, how many girls are in the class, and how many students total are in the class. The third step, D, is to define what information is needed. Assign variable B for boys, assign variable G for girls, and write equations to represent the information. B equals G, and 2 times quantity G minus 8 equals B. The next to last step, O, is to generate an output based on your definitions. Because B equals G, substitution will create a new equation with just one variable. 2 times quantity G minus 8 equals B will become 2 times quantity G minus 8 equals G. This equation then can be solved to find the value of G. 2 times quantity g minus 8 equals g. Distribute the 2 to get 2g minus 16 equals g. Combine like terms and isolate the variable to get g equals 16. The last step, S, is to substantiate your answer. This is the step that teachers usually mean when they tell you to check your answer. Are the results reasonable? Yes. There could be 16 girls. Did you answer the original question? No. The question asked for the number of students. If there are 16 girls, then there must be 16 boys. There are 32 students in Mr. Ramirez's class. Can you verify the results? Yes, with a drawing. Imagine a class with 16 girls and 16 boys. If 8 girls left, there would be twice as many boys as girls left in the room. Therefore, the answer of 32 students is correct. Example 2. Kudos. There are 15 people on the basketball team. After a recent victory, each player gave every other player a high five. In total, how many high fives occurred? We know there are 15 people on the team. The unknown is how many high fives occurred. We will define a pattern in this situation. With 2 people, there is 1 high five. 3 people results in 1 plus 2, or 3 high fives. 4 people result in 1 plus 2 plus 3, or 6 high fives, and so on. To find the output of this problem, we add the integers 1 through 14 to get 105 high fives. To substantiate the answer, a group of 15 students could act out the situation.